How's it going, YouTube? Out with the Traxxas T-Maxx on 4S. Last time I had it out, me and my son was racing, and I had snapped the outputs on the transmission. So I went ahead and put a new transmission in there. So we're gonna go ahead and see how it holds up. I did go ahead and went down on the punch. It was at 5, I went to 2. And I loosened up the slipper clutch just a little bit so I don't get so much bite. I'm guessing that's why it snapped. But anyway, we'll go ahead and crank it up and hope everybody being safe out there. Right now we on, everything's shut down on my hobby stores. All kind of stuff is shut down. If it's not I forgot what they call it, but if it's not an access or needed right away, it's not open. So I just figure I'd get out anyway to get a quick bashing. Alright guys, right, YouTube, we got the onboard on. Hopefully we're gonna see how long that stay on for. Still got some power, but I can feel that it don't got that much kick, which is a good thing. I don't want to break now. See if the camera hold up when it jumps. Nice Willie right there. Ooh. I think punch 2 on the money. Ooh, it's muddy out here. Oh, GoPro finish. That was some good onboard for now anyway. So I set the GoPro on the on the hill. Let's see if we get some underneath shots, slow mos or something. That was a hard landing, huh? I did see T-Bone Racing sell a bumper for this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab it because the Traxxas one got that clip on there. And every time they hit a certain jump, they want to come on. And I don't really like that. Oh. She holding up so far. See how she take this beating. Fix that wheelie bar. I know it definitely got a lot of kick because it wasn't doing backflips like that. Hit the GoPro and everything. Oh, look where it landed, right in a good spot for me to grab it, huh? Damn. Oh, mud everywhere. I have to clean this car before I bring it back in the house. Wifey gonna be mad. Oh, I lost a couple pins. Oh. That was a hard hit. She taking it though. Taking every bump, every flip. That's what I need to see. You know, with brake, I need to upgrade. How the game go, baby. Oh, I got mud all over me. Ah. Gotta love the hobby, huh? Digger. Oh, I want to hit now. Oh, save it. Oh, that ain't sound good, huh? Let's see what that is. Let's see what that is. All right, now, so now that I know the trick, I could put the Alright, let me show y'all what's going on here. 1 second, guys. So what's going on here is the front let loose now. Let me show y'all. The front one is plastic, it just let loose. See that? So I got a rear one like this that I'm gonna put on the front. I didn't know about the it had a screw inside to keep the pin in. So now that I know, I can go ahead and do that. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, give you guys an update on the Exceed. Something went wrong with the XLX. I'm not sure what it is, but something went wrong. So I'm about to go through it. If not, I gotta send it back to Castle. But what's going on, I don't know when I'm gonna see that back on the road again. So sucks, man. But I'm gonna give y'all an update video on that, so stay tuned for that. Chevy, baby. Just want to show you guys, I went ahead and put that metal one in the front. Let me show you. Hopefully y'all can see that. That's the rear. And then that's the front now. So they're both upgraded. So let me see if I can get y'all in the light. There you go. Yep. So the next test run, we're gonna see what else brings. Nah, should be good to go.